Today is March 11th. This day marks 1 year since the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a global pandemic. Since then, we have all faced adversity, and we've all faced hardship. Our world has been changed forever. But no one has been more adversely impacted than our seniors, our most vulnerable Pennsylvanians in long-term care, as well as the brave men and women, our healthcare heroes, who have stood by their side. Long-term care has truly been the epicenter of this pandemic, and the Pennsylvania Healthcare Association is honored to advocate on behalf of our members, those brave frontline workers, and the residents they serve. As we look back on the past 12 months, we must reflect and recognize the challenges that we faced and the obstacles that we overcame to propel us forward. Let's reflect on the commitment and the perseverance of our healthcare heroes who cared for our most vulnerable residents, who stood in for the families who couldn't visit their loved ones in our long-term care facilities. This pandemic has shone a bright light on the heroism of the caregivers on the front lines and the need to build and strengthen our workforce pipeline in Pennsylvania. Let's reflect on the harrowing experience that this has been for our most vulnerable. We must remain vigilant in protecting them from this virus, but we must also consider their health and find a way to safely reconnect and reunite them with their families. Let's reflect on the impact of community spread. COVID-19 cases in long-term care are dropping significantly as the vaccine continues to be distributed and administered. As the vaccine becomes more widely available, let's get it into arms as quickly as possible. This will help better protect our most vulnerable residents. And finally, let's reflect on those who have helped us along the way, those members of the legislature, those members of our communities who stepped up to answer our calls for help. Whether it was with critical funding, PPE, testing, staffing, anything, we asked for support, and a select few in Pennsylvania stepped up, and they became champions for our seniors and for our workers. Today is March 11th, 1 year since we began this journey together. It's our hope that 1 year from today, things will be back to normal for long-term care providers, for staff, and for their residents. But until that day, we thank you for everything that you've done and everything we know you'll continue to do. PHCA is proud to stand with you.